Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. Today we are going to learn how to create a Shopify partner account using Shopify. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Why we require the Shopify partner account? Because we need to access the admin access API or the front store APIs. For that reason, we have to create the Shopify partner account. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, let's log in. Okay, so currently which account currently they have, so I'm going to do with the current account. Already I have the account, right? So I need to select this account. Okay, so currently you can see that I have already made this account, right? I want to add, just go and create a new partner account. So currently I have already one account. So how to create that one? To create new partner account, so it will go like this. So you have to select the stores, what are the main ways to plan to use Shopify. So you select any of this. So do the next process over here. Okay, select which region. So here you need to select anything over here. Go next. So put the information over here, business name. You can say that April business. Okay, or you can say that the toys business, you can say, right? So address, you can add any of that. Okay, and city you need to add. So currently I will add my city, and zip code you need to add. Okay, go to the next process. Job title. Okay, and the phone number you can add. LinkedIn profile, anything. So I have read accept and all. So let's do the submit. So it will going to create your partner account. Okay, so this is how the Twice business partner account is done. Right, now you have the apps, now you have the stores. Okay, so this is how the partner account will be up. Okay, in the next video what we are going to learn how to create a store for this. Okay, and after the creating the store, we will go to learn how to get the access keys and all, and how to access the APIs of the storefront and the admin APIs, and how to implement in the Node.js application also. So we are going to learn in this series. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is the first step. Let's move to the second one step. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.